165 max size 6.0 gallon tank, 22.7 L, and 2.6 SCFM** delivered at 90 psi pump. Enable long tool runtime with quick recovery for the portable air compressor. High-efficiency motor of the electric air compressor is made for easy startup in cold weather, or extension cord application, 14 GA or larger, 50 feet, 15.2 m, or less, 78.5 dBA***. Noise level of the 6-gallon air compressor is made for a quiet work environment. High-flow regulator and couplers of DEWALT portable air compressor are designed to maximize air tool performance. Long-life oil-free pump for maintenance-free operation. Console cover protects controls and is removable to allow easy repair. Outlet tube rerouted to avoid being catch point. The heavy-duty 6.0 gallon, 165 max psi compressor is ideal for supporting a variety of pneumatic and air tool applications. The oil-free pump delivers 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi for long tool runtime and quick recovery. The included cord wrap provides convenience and easy storage on the job site or in the garage.